hear that happen? I have a 2010 Venza. And the problem? Hood latch. It was not allowing the hood to close properly. And I noticed it because of this gap. So it wasn't locking down all the way. So intermittently, customer was having an issue of when locking it, it would lock normally. It wouldn't say the hood's open, but yet it would still have the horn go off. So hood's still open. See? So intermittently, whether it be cold weather, at night, didn't matter. All I did was fix the hood latch. So it stopped. WD or silicone spray. There you go. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.